Welcome to the StatTree video module for Cramer's V. To test whether there is an association between two categorical variables, the Cramer's V test would be appropriate. You will need two categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. Question number 2 regarding movie era has two nominal values and is also categorical. These will be the two variables we will use for our demonstration. With the PEVS dataset open in SPSS, you would choose gender as the first variable in the pair and era as the second variable in the pair. To conduct a Cramer's V test, go to Analyze in the top menu, select Descriptive Statistics, and choose Crosstabs. When the Crosstabs dialog box appears, select the gender variable and press the arrow button next to the rows box. Select the era variable and press the arrow button next to the columns box. Next, press the Statistics button. When the Crosstabs Statistics dialog box appears, select the Phi and Cramer's V option under Nominal. Then press the Continue button. Then press the Cells button. When the Crosstabs Cell Display dialog box appears, select Observed under the Counts option and select Row, Column, and Total under the Percentages option. Press the Continue button. Now press the OK button. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find the significance figure here. As you can see, we have met our significance criteria for the Cramer's V test for association between gender and era of movie. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the sample size figure. If the significance figures do not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.